Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to deposit money in Bybit from bank account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to log in to your Bybit account, and here at the top you can see the deposit options. You just have to click on it and then click on the fiat deposit. Okay, that's right. And here you can see, or you can choose the currency that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to choose euro and then type out 10 for this transaction. And here you can choose your payment method. And of course, after that, just click on continue. So here you just have to select your bank. So make sure to choose the right bank. And after that, just click on next. And here, just click on this box. So you agree to the terms and condition and click on continue and click on continue again. So here you can view your order details and the money will be deposited to your account, and you can see it right here under assets. When it's deposited, you will see it right here in this section. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.